got Cole here today. Some jailbreak. I think this has been like the third video. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna be playing some jailbreak. Here we go. Past videos. You guys love my jailbreak videos, so I think I should be playing some more jailbreak for you guys to watch. And let's see what the. Oh, am I gonna get police? I just have police. I don't know what this is. Yeah, here we go. Let's choose to be a police or prisoner. Let's be a prisoner, and soon later let's be a cop. So yeah, here we go. Let's go and bust the walls. So that's the easiest way to escape. I think this guy's gonna bust them already, isn't he? I don't know, but we're gonna be exploding this wall, and here we go. Oh wait, am I lagging? I'm lagging. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you guys think this game is pretty cool, link in the description. It is super popular. Jailbreak is super popular. Like, it's been #1 in most played for a long time. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be going to be a criminal, and we're gonna go and rob some banks. We're gonna rob the bank and rob the jewelry store. And so yeah, let's go get our car and let's. Oh my gosh, what is going on with that car over there? I don't know. But let's get in this car. No, I don't want to get in here. Car. Oh, we gotta wait until another car will spawn and we can get in it. Okay, there it is. So yeah, if you guys want to see some more videos, me play Jailbreak, like this video and comment down. I want to see more. So yeah, let's walk the car. So now, and all of these, we gotta be careful right now. In jail, guys have been playing this game for a long time. We've now installed trains, and so yeah, here we go. Let's go to the garage. These texture, this is amazing. Oh, guys, I have $11,000. I should buy something. I should buy a car, I think. Yeah, here we go. The police and boom, look at this. I think people will think that I'm a police. I don't know. I don't know, but they'll see my name, so I don't think they'll know that I'm a police. So let's go to the bank and see if anyone's robbing it. It's open, but no one's in it. I don't know why I'm getting in there. I don't even have a key card. So let's go to the nearest criminal base so we can get our guns. Okay, so well done. All right, finish driving. So yeah, here is the nearest. Oh, there's the plane. I mean, not the plane, the train. Hey, let me go rob it. Let me go rob it. I need to rob it. I'm robbing. All right, so here we go. Hey, come on, come on, come on. Oh wait, am I going the wrong way? What's going on with the train? What's going on with the train? I think it's like, isn't it like broken? Or am I just lagging? Well, okay, let's just leave the train alone. Let's go back to this. Yeah, oh my gosh, what? Did you guys see that? Okay, so, um, I, what? Oh, so I don't know what's going on. The train, yeah, I think the train was too laggy. And so I just like got out of my car and then just okay. Yeah, let's go get some guns. Let me go get some guns. Let's go. Here we go. Alright, so let's change our clothes. Right. So yeah, here we go. We change the clothes, let's get our guns. Okay, oh wait, we didn't get the shotgun. We didn't get the shotgun. Okay, there we go. Alright, oh that guy just stole our car. Great. That's great. All right, we need to go to the let's go where all of my criminal friends are at, so we can all work together. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, so let's go to the juice there. Yeah, there's a lot of cards over here. Oh, there's a cop. Guys, there's a cop. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, gotta get out of here. There's a cop. No, go, 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 go. All right, we need to get out of here. That guy's gonna get arrested. Oh no. Wait, what is going on? This cop is trying so hard to get them. Yeah, let me try and I'm gonna try and kill him. No, 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 no! He's gonna get me! Go kart! No, I got arrested! Oh my gosh! What? What? New cop. Okay, let's decide. Let's go be a police now. Okay, we have to wait until we get released. This is boring. Uh, uh, yeah, we're gonna arrest some criminals. So let's go. We're now released. Who is in most wanted? Who am I gonna get? Oh my gosh, this guy has the biggest body, so we're gonna arrest him. Excuse me. Let's go arrest that guy because we need his money. What are these guys up to? Um, what are you up to? Not allowed. Alright, so let's now go to the let's go to the bank as maybe there's a criminal right here. Oh my gosh, get him. Wait, where did he go? What? Where did that guy just go? Did he like leave the game? I don't know. But yeah, guys, let's go to the city because that's where most of the criminals are. And yeah, here we go. Okay, the city. Oh, we can have our alarms on. Well, oh, I think the car. Yep, there's a car over there. It's turn. Oh, it's a terrible turn by the out. We need to go. Oh, there he is. Okay, okay, okay. We need to go get him. We're on a police chase. Police chase. Yo! I didn't block him. We need to get this guy. Come on, come on. Okay. So this guy. Oh gosh! There's a criminal right here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, yeah. All right. We arrested a criminal. Okay, so there's a criminal in the bank. So let's go to the bank. Let's see. We're gonna go all the way to the bank now. We're on a police roll right now, guys. All right, we go. Okay, yep. Here are some criminals right here. This is a criminal that we were chasing, I think. He's stuck, or she's stuck. Hit him! Hit him! Yes, we got him. All right. Good job, Cole. All right, let's now go. We're arresting every single criminal, I think. All right, so let's now go over here. Oh gosh, you guys see that criminal in here? I think that's good. Where did that person go? Oh, it's a cop. It's a cop. Oh, okay. That's the cop who arrested us. Yeah, it was. Alright. So let's go to the top of the jury store so we can arrest the criminals that are inside the jury store. So let's go top of here. Okay, so me and this guy are now gonna be staying up here. Hey, okay, he's gonna get the back. I'm gonna get the front. Let's see. Are they still in there? I don't know. Yeah, they're there. Hey, that's the guy. That's the guy who's going to that was robbing the jury store. All right, so here he comes. Here he comes. I'm gonna get his punk. Here's this guy. Um, is he? Isn't he gonna come out? Isn't he like? Did he come out already? I don't know where he is. Or isn't he just camping in there? Um, where the heck is he? Like I don't. Okay, so oh wait, oh that's some other guy. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna wait down here. Oh jeez, I just broke my legs. Um, we gotta wait until he's out. Yeah, we have to. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. All right, so oh, there's so okay. He came out. He came out. He's right there. Get him. Get him. Wait, am I laggy? What's going? I think I'm laggy. Jesus, we can't even arrest him. Oh, yeah, I think I'm laggy. Yeah, just kill him. Just kill him. Okay, we killed him. I don't know what would that do, but yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. There's a robbery in the jewelry. I mean, not the jewelry store at the donut shop. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's some criminals right here. Is this a criminal? No, there's not. There's no criminals. Wow, guys, this server is like there's barely any criminals. There's only two criminals now. Wow, this is crazy. All right, well, this server is loaded with it's loaded with a lot of cops. All right, don't get in my car. But so I think we should go get we should go buy a car. One of the only car that I can buy is the truck. So we can get the truck. I think the truck is at the gas station. So let's go to the gas station and get that truck. As we are now almost to the gas station, and we are gonna get this truck. And so yeah, I think it's $9,000 for the truck. So let's just park right here at the gas station. There it is. All right, so let's go get that truck. And yes, okay, it is 9,000. So let's buy it. Boom. All right, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be ending the video here. So today in this video, in this jailbreak video, I just got the truck. It's pretty cool. And so yeah, if you guys want to see more jailbreak videos and Roblox videos, comment down you want to see more. And if you guys think this game is cool, link would be in the description. Also, go follow me on Roblox and send me a friend request. I will accept it as fast as possible. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.